Mudskipper is usually found in mangrove swamps at the mouth of river. The mud deposited by the river here is a suitable place for mudskippers to build its burrow. Mudskipper can hop out of the water, walk across the mud, and even climb trees. They are equally at home on land and in water. There is no shortage of food, as algae and small animals like worms, crabs, and snails, on which it feeds, are found in abundance in the waters and mud flats. The mudskipper breathes through gills like other fishes do. It has a moist skin under which there is a rich supply of blood vessels. This enables the fish to breathe through its skins as well. It also carries around its own air tanks, a mixture of air and water in its gill chambers. The blood vessels in the gills absorb the oxygen as the water passes through the gills. When the oxygen is used up, a fresh mouthful of water is gulped in. Mudskipper uses its powerful pectoral fins as legs. The mudskipper crawls around in the mud. Mudskippers have their eyes on the top of their heads, and their excellent eyesight allows them to spot prey and predators from afar.